Hello, welcome to Edubbey Dynamic Page. Today, let us look at DAO governance tokens, empowering community-led decision-making. 1. Introduction. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. DAO governance tokens are integral to the functioning of decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, enabling participants to actively participate in decision-making processes within a decentralized ecosystem. 2. Core concept. Voting power. DAO governance tokens represent voting power within a DAO. The more tokens a participant holds, the greater their influence on decision-making. Decentralized decision-making. Governance tokens empower communities to make decisions collectively without reliance on centralized authorities. 3. How DAO governance tokens work. Token distribution. Governance tokens are distributed to participants based on factors such as contribution, staking, or token holdings. Voting proposals. DAO members submit proposals, which can include decisions related to protocol upgrades, funding allocations, or changes in governance parameters. Token voting. Holders of governance tokens cast votes in favor or against proposals. The outcome is determined by the majority of votes. 4. Use cases and functions. Protocol upgrades. DAO governance tokens are often used to decide on upgrades to the underlying blockchain protocol or the DAO itself. Treasury management. Decision-making regarding the allocation and management of the DAO's treasury is a common use case. Parameter adjustments. DAOs may use governance tokens to adjust parameters such as inflation rates, block rewards, or consensus mechanisms. 5. Popular DAO governance tokens. Compound holders govern the compound protocol, influencing decisions related to interest rates, collateral factors, and other parameters. Maker holders govern the MakerDAO, making decisions on issues like stability fees and collateral types. Uniswap holders influence the Uniswap decentralized exchange, participating in decisions related to fee structures and governance parameters. 6. Challenges and considerations. Token distribution fairness. Ensuring a fair distribution of governance tokens is crucial to prevent centralization of decision-making power. Sybil attacks. Measures are often implemented to resist Sybil attacks, where an attacker holds multiple tokens to gain disproportionate voting power. Participation and engagement. Achieving widespread participation in governance processes can be a challenge, and DAOs often seek ways to encourage active involvement. 7. Future trends. Integration with DeFi protocols. DAO governance tokens may see increased integration with decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols, allowing for more comprehensive and interconnected governance across various platforms. Cross-DAO collaboration. DAOs could collaborate, allowing their governance tokens to interact, fostering cross-DAO decision-making. 8. Regulatory considerations. Compliance. DAOs and their governance tokens must navigate evolving regulatory landscapes to ensure compliance with local laws. 9. Evolution of governance models. Experimentation. DAOs often experiment with different governance models, including quadratic voting, feudarchy, and delegated voting, to find the most effective and inclusive decision-making mechanisms. 10. Conclusion. DAO governance tokens play a pivotal role in decentralizing decision-making processes, giving individuals the power to shape the future of blockchain projects. As these tokens become more ingrained in decentralized governance structures, their evolution, integration with other protocols, and the development of innovative governance models will continue to shape the decentralized landscape.